At Prism Network Solutions, we are proud to be a veteran-owned small business. As a veteran-founded company, we understand the sacrifices made by our servicemen and servicewomen. We are proud to recognize their contributions on Memorial Day and every day. Founded by Ian Joseph, a dedicated veteran who served in the United States Air Force, our company deeply understands government operations and requirements. Following his honorable service, he worked for years at renowned companies, including CSC, one of the most prominent military managed service vendors, supporting various government entities. These invaluable experiences enables us to provide comprehensive solutions that meets the highest standards. Our organization takes great pride in providing exceptional technology services and managed solutions that are tailored to meet the unique needs of the government sector. We combined our founders' extensive government experience and our team's expertise to deliver unmatched quality and efficiency, which includes cybersecurity, network engineering, and cloud computing. Our clients trust us to deliver the highest level of service and support on time and on a budget. Whether we are working on site or remotely, we are committed to exceeding our clients' expectations and helping them to achieve their mission-critical objectives. Prism Network Solutions is proud to serve our country, our government, and our communities. Contact us today to learn more about how we can help you and your organization achieve its goals.